morning. Very, very good morning. Good morning. And then, hi. Good morning. Saya po muna tayo lahat. Isisita. Isakamo. Isakamo. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to the Rise and Live Show. Hello po sa inyo lahat. Hello. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Ako din po mabuti. Dahil excited na po ako. Dahil malapit na po. Oh, Pasko na! Merry Christmas! Go, 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 go. At dahil malapit na po ang Pasko, meron po ako may big regalo. At pag nagbibigay po ng regalo, kasama ko po si Alonzo. Hi, Alonzo! Hi! Hi! Good morning! Hi, Dabricans! Sabihin mo, Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Ayan, ay, tingnan mo, Alonzo. Nakita mo na? Huwag mo sabihin ha, may letter A yung pangalan. Ayan o, Alonzo, tingnan mo. Ano ibig sabihin ng letter A? Apple, as in apple. Apple. Awesome! Amazing! Adorable! Yung heart mo, ano yan? Umiilaw ba yan? Ayun! Oh, Happy Valentine! Eto, mamaya po, ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung picture para manalo ng 10,000 pesos plus Rise and May tumbler plus meet and greet. Dahil nandito na po kami ni Alonzo, mamimigay naman kami ng big regalo dito sa studio. At abangan niyo po ha, ano bang papanoorin nila, Alonzo? My Big Bossing! My Big Bossing! Santa Claus?
You know you're going to see me today?
Are you Santa Claus?
You want me to pick Santa Claus?
Yeah! How about Santa Claus?
Here?
Yeah. Here.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Can you say ho ho ho?
I say ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Si Santa Claus na.
I don't say Maligayang Pasko. How are you this morning?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm awesome. Every day.
Awesome. Adorable. Amazing. Awesome.
Amazing? Amazing and awesome?
Alonzo, tulungan mo nga ako. What?
So
Ito siya
what-
dito.
So
Kausapin mo si Santa Claus.
tell me, Riza, are you being a good girl?
Yes. Alonzo, ano daw? He said, are you being a good girl? Yes, I'm a good girl. Are you a good boy? Maybe I'm just going to tell. I'm just sitting over right there. I'm
Over there? There?
You know Santa?
Yes.
Alonzo,
Yes.
sometimes is not a good boy.
No? Well, you know, you think Santa has two lips,
But
right?
we got a Christmas party.
A Christmas party? You know Santa has 3 lists, not 2. Everybody thinks Santa has a good list and a naughty list, right? But you know Santa has another list too. It's called a
What
mischievous. Mischievous.
Genius. What's that?
Mischievous. So if you're not really naughty, but you're not really good, Santa puts you on a mischievous list. So we watch you. Yeah? Did you know that?
Wait, ano po yung yan po? Si Alonzo.
What's-
sometimes good, sometimes
So
not
should we
good.
put him on a mischievous list to watch him?
Mischievous list.
Yes? Okay.
Where are you from?
The North Pole, of course. Isn't that where Santa's from, the North Pole?
Your balbas is totoo?
Oh, sige. Go ahead, pull it.
Kaya po si Santa Claus?
Yes. Don't I look
What's
like
your
Santa Claus?
gift for me this Christmas?
What's the
I'm
gift?
a good girl.
You a good girl? So what is it what is your single wish?
I want them to watch my big bossing.
Your big bossing? Okay. We'll do
That's
that.
my wish.
Yes? Okay. I will be there to watch it. Is that
I
okay?
want you to watch my big bossing.
Good, good.
And all the kids in the world.
All the kids in the world? Okay, we will
Because
do
they
that.
will enjoy it.
They will?
And they will learn a lot. Anyway, Santa, let's play Picture o Tanong.
Okay, what are we playing?
Picture o Tanong.
Anyone?
You choose.
Out of the three? Oh, this one.
Pink, violet,
This.
or green.
Green. Like my eyes, see? Santa's eyes are green.
Green. Why don't you choose violet? It's
want me to-
pretty.
You like this one?
Yeah. Picture.
You sure? It's going to clash with my shirt?
It's picture.
Okay, so we're going to take a
Santa,
picture?
do you have a lot of gifts?
I have
for
lots of gifts.
Children.
Yes, I have lots of gifts for many children.
Mm.
You know, when I come from the North Pole, I come here to the Philippines so I can have a vacation and visit all the children here in the Philippines. I go all over the Philippines visiting the children. That's what I do.
All over the Philippines?
Mm-hmm.
Do you give gifts?
I do. I give them gifts.
You're very kind. Can I have a hug? Putihin niyo? Like
Told you
your
it's
hair.
real, huh?
Yeah.
You want to wear my hat?
But you're kalbo.
Oh, but
You don't have hair. You're old.
I am old. I'm 1,898 years old.
Who? Oh my God. You're so old.
I am, but I'm still young. See?
But you're still strong. What
I
do you
am.
eat?
Oatmeal.
Oatmeal.
Oatmeal, yes.
I eat oatmeal too.
It's masarap,
Sometimes.
huh? Masarap.
You know Tagalog?
Konti lang.
Oh, konti lang.
You're going to make my tongue bleed, though, in my ears.
Say maligayang Pasko.
Maligayang Pasko.
Maligayang Pasko. It means Merry Christmas.
Christmas.
Yes, okay, here's your picture.
Okay, what do we have? Okay. Picture,
One,
picture.
2, 3.
4.
Ta-da! What's
It's
this?
ham with
Ham.
with cherries and
Ham.
pineapples. Very good.
Pineapples.
Yes.
But this is a ham. This is famous during Christmas.
It is. It's a very
And
famous
because
dish.
of that, you have a prize.
Wonderful.
You won 3,000 pesos plus resume work class. Tumbler. Tumbler pala. Alonzo, come here. You're not a bad boy. You know Santa? Alonzo is a very good boy.
Alonzo is a good boy. So do we need to move Alonzo to the good list now?
Alonzo, you hug Santa because you're a very good boy. Candy cane ito. Candy cane. Yes. Candy cane. Green candy cane. Hug Santa.
Two?
There, over there, candy canes.
Okay.
There's a candy cane. This one.
This is a pretty candy cane. This one red and the green.
But I can never eat candy canes. My teeth is sira. Your ipin is sira. Okay, Santa, here's your gift. Chuga Chews!
Chuga Chews?
Pwede po itong panghanda sa Christmas party. Plus 3,000 pesos.
Masarap.
Ang Pasko! Meron pa po kayo Ariel, spaghetti and macaroni. Meron po silang kulot na pasta at curly macaroni. Masarap po yan. Meron pa po kayong 3,000 pesos. Either here.
Thank you. Salamat po. Thank you.
We have gift for you. At may regalo din po kayo mula sa City of Meatloaf. And this one. Yes. Tumblers. See? Alonzo is a very good boy.
Reggie,
Santa, that's your gift.
can I have a hug, please?
Yes. Let's hug Santa. Yay. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. We promise to be good children. Yeah.
Can I share something with you?
What?
Can I share something with you? A little secret of mine? Do you know that Santa gives gifts to all the children of the world all the time, every
Yeah.
Christmas, right? And do you know what?
Because they're sleeping.
This is the first time a child has given Santa a gift. Thank you.
Oh, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. First time we have... Bye, Santa.
Ho, ho, ho. Maligayang Pasko.
Ho, ho, ho. O, diba, Alonzo? Namit na natin si Santa Claus. At tayo ang nagbigay ng regalo sa kanya. Yes! Ayan. Are you happy? Are you a good boy, huh? Yes, Alonzo is a good boy. Riza is a good girl. Kaya hintayin natin yung gift natin kay Santa. Ayan, mga Dapper Cats, relax lang po kayo, ha? Sa pagbabalik po natin, magluluto po tayo. Kasama yung guest natin ngayon. Magbabalik pa po ang Rise and Make Show! Itakak mo! I-check mo! Welcome back to the Rise and Make Show! Kasama ko pa rin po si Alonzo at ngayon po. Papakilala ko na sa inyo ang gift namin ngayon. Pero bago po yan, ipapakita po muna namin yung picture at yung tanong para makapag-text na kayo at manalo ng 10,000 pesos. Ito na po, Alonzo, look ko. Ah! Nagulat ka. Nagulat ako kay Raisa. Nagulat ka ba? Apa? Ah! Nagulat. Nagulat naman ako. Hindi mo naman nakita eh. Isa pa. Tingin ka mabuti. Huwag mo takpan na. Huwag mo. Kasi, maganda to. Tingnan mo. Ah! Bingin ako, bingin. Eto na po yung picture, ha? 1, 2, 3, da-da-dan! Ayan. Uy, ikaw pala yan, Alonzo. Ang cute oh, yung prinsipe. Prinsipe ka dyan, di ba? Tapos, prinsipe ng baboy. Prinsipe ka ng baboy. Siya yun eh. Ito na po ang tanong. Ano ang ginagawa namin ni Alonzo? A. Natutulog. B. Kumakain. Yes. What's the answer? Kain. A or B? Kain. Kumakain. Ayan po. Thanks na kayo. Ang dali-dali po niyan. Ngayon naman po, ipapakilala ko na po sa inyo yung guest ko ngayon. Mami po siya. May dalawa po siyang anak. Isang boy, isang girl. Magaling din po siya magluto. Gusto ko rin po maging chef kasulad niya. At maganda po. Kasi po anak siya ni Bossing. Alonzo, alam mo ba yun? Yes. Gamit mo na ba? Yes. Mga Dabarkas, palakpakan po natin si Ate Danica Soto Pingris. Hi po.
Good morning, mga Dabber Cats! Hi, Alonzo! Hi, Riza!
Hi po. Alonzo, mag-bless ka.
Pakurot.
Mag-bless ka, Alonzo.
Oh, bless, bless.
Ate
Good
natin
boy!
Hi, Ate
Okay.
Danica.
Ayan, ang
Kamusta
saya
po
ko
kayo?
naman na nakabalik na ako dito ulit.
Oo nga po. Kamusta si Kuya Mark po?
Okay naman, ayun, medyo nagdidelikado yung team. Kailangan manalo sila. Kung hindi, laglag na.
Mahilig po bang kumain si Kuya Mark?
Super! Mahilig siya sa mga gulay. Favorite niya, kasi di ba Ilocano nga siya. So, mahilig talaga siya sa pakbet. So, hindi lilipas yung isang linggo na hindi siya maghahanap ng pinakbet. Kailangan meron talaga sa bahay.
Yung pinakbet pa yung may kalabasa,
Yes.
palaya.
Kumakain ka ba nun?
Opo.
Yung may okra? Yan. Tapos may
Opo.
bagoong.
Alonzo, do you eat vegetables? What vegetable? What?
You don't like vegetable?
Parang hinihika ka dyan. Ano bang ginagawa mo?
You know
Nagalit ka
pinakbet?
pala.
You know pinakbet, Alonzo? You eat that?
My mama said I need to make diet. Para I need to make... Para I'm not gonna be fat, I'm gonna be payat. Nagda-diet po siguro yan. Yung mga anak niyo po pa kumakain ng gulay.
Na-
Si Mick po.
Nako.
Tsaka si Kayla.
Si Mick, ang kinakain lang niya na gulay, yung sa salad, yung mga lettuce, tsaka broccoli. Kabaliktaran naman sila ni Kayla. Si Kayla, kahit anong gulay kinakain, parang daddy niya. Sa mga pakbet, ganyan. Kahit anong iserve mo sa kanya, yung mga kangkong, sa sinigang, kakainin niya. Kabaliktaran sila nung kuya niya. Medyo mas pihikan yung panganay.
Di po ba nag-aral kayo nagluto? Ano pong malimit yung niluluto para sa kanila?
Sa kanila, si Mick kasi mahilig sa pasta, so madali lang. Tapos si Kayla, kung ano yung ulam sa bahay, halimbawa may sinigang kami or anything na, kunwari adobo, ganyan, kakainin din niya yun. Si Mick, pizza yan. Nagluluto din sila with me. So kami ni Kayla, mahilig kami mag-baking. Si Mick naman minsan, pizza. Pero more of sa kain lang siya.
Pag po Christmas, ano pong ginagawa niyo kasama si Bossing?
Pag Christmas, minsan pupunta kami sa bahay ni Daddy. Tapos yun, Noche Buena, salo-salo na kami sa
Hi,
mga
Kayla!
sa mga aming kakain. Say hi. Tapos, last year naman, dun kami sa bahay namin.
Siya.
So, nagluto ako, tapos kumain dun sila Daddy,
ka.
sila Tito Val, Tito Maru, yan.
Ano
Sa
pong
doon din
kinakain niyo pag Pasko? Ah!
Pag Pasko, ano ba? Ang niluto ko last year, prawns na may chili garlic sauce, tapos chicken, ganyan. Siyempre, hindi mawawala yung lechon. So, isa sa mga tito ko malamang magdadala ng lechon. Cebu lechon, yan ang favorite namin.
Pwede niyo po bang turuan yung mga nanonood ngayon na pwede nilang ihanda sa Pasko?
Alam mo, tuturuan kita gumawa ng shepherd's pie.
Yeah, that one. We're going
Yung
to
shepherd's pie, sobrang daling lutuin. Pwede mo din dalhin sa mga potluck. Pag may parties kayo, kayang-kaya. You also, Alonso, you can cook that. It's so easy. You want to learn how to make it?
Pwede po kami. I don't like to cook.
Why?
My hand will burn.
No.
I don't like to get burned. I don't like to get some fire. Fire, ito naman si mami mo. Yes, only my yaya, my mommy, and then even my papa eat many. Lagot ka kay Tita Lidio.
Your papa inukin ni many food.
Yes, so his tummy is big.
His tummy is big. Oh no. Hi, Kuya. Ang papa's there na.
Ayan na. My papa's tummy so big. Sabi.
Many daw yung kinain.
Many. Pwede po maglaro na muna sila.
Okay, you play muna. You play with
Tayo
Alonso.
magkukuk. Kalikan na.
Ayan na.
Alonso,
Papasok na
play
kami.
with me Kayla. Nauna ko to.
Okay.
Baka mahulog ako dyan.
Okay, dito na tayo. Okay, wait guys.
What is this?
Naku, ayan na. Okay,
Dapat
everybody.
po yung mga bata po.
Suot muna natin yung
Dapat
ating
kasama
apron,
sila.
Riza. Is this mine? Okay.
I don't have. Alonso, play with me.
I'll put apron. Let's put apron. Para you will not get dirty. Ay! Okay, everybody, let's take turns, ha? No grabbing. Ito na, para na tayong nasa preschool.
Mga bata po, ha?
Okay.
Huwag
Let's take
maglalaro
turns.
sa kitchen. Dapat kasama si mama. Preschool.
What happened?
Alonso, zip your mouth.
Why?
Zip your mouth.
Zip your mouth.
Ikaw lang wag ako. Zip your mouth.
Okay, let's
Don't
go.
talk.
Let's cook.
Ano po
Ready na?
lulutuin natin?
Shepherd's pie. So, una,
Shepherd's pie.
me,
Ano po yung mga
you're the
kailangan?
kuya, so you stay here, okay? There. There. Let them stay there kasi sila yung mga babies. Okay, ganito. Meron akong trabaho para sa
Si
kids.
Kayla baka dala yung plato.
Okay, so ito yung ingredients muna natin, ha. Meron tayong beef giniling, cream cheese, onion, garlic, butter, tomato sauce, milk, tsaka carrots, and potatoes. Okay, so gagawa muna tayo ng mashed potatoes at yan ang inyong trabaho. So, mash the potato, i-mash nyo, ganyan. Take turns, take turns. Okay.
Me first because I'm the eldest.
Ah, you're the eldest ba?
I'm the eldest.
Alright.
I'm Nainay. How are you?
Oh, so lalagyan natin yan ng konting milk. Oh, i-mash nyo yan. Nahihirapan ba kayong i-mash?
Sige.
Kayla, don't touch bebe. It's hot. You stay here first. O, you mash it. Nahihirapan yata silang i-mash. Sorry. You want me na lang?
May nasapon.
Ate na lang will mash.
No.
Me na lang. Okay, sige. Habang minamash nila yan, magme-melt tayo ng konting butter. Yan.
The butter. I smash it.
Very good. So, tutunawin natin yung ating butter. Madali lang to, Riza. Alam mo, pag may party ka, pwede mo to gawin. Gawin mo to para kay mommy mo. Okay,
So,
butter.
lalagyan po ito ng salted
Oh.
pepper.
Yes. So, igisa lang natin yung ating garlic and butter.
Amongst this,
A little only. A pinch. A pinch of salt. Oh. There. Good job. So ngayon, habang ginagawa nila, inaano ko lang to, ginigisa ko lang, bawang lang to, tsaka butter. Okay? Pagkatapos niyan, pwede na natin ilagay yung ating sibuyas. Mick and Kayla, please behave. Oh, parang nasa bahay lang tayo na nagsasaway ako ng mga bagets.
my turn.
Oh, yan lang.
Sinasama niyo po ba sila pag nagluluto kayo?
That's cream cheese. Okay, okay lang. You want me to help you?
Alonzo, kaya mo pa ba?
Talagang kinerir na nila yung pagmamash.
Kaya mo yan.
What do you want to try? No, you'll help me na lang. You'll be the one to put all the other ingredients here. Alonzo, are you okay?
Yes.
Yes.
What has happened?
Ala, nahubaran na. Let's fix your apron.
What happened? Parang palda.
Parang mali ako. Sinuot ko yata yung apron ni Alonzo. Baliktad! I'm sorry! Aray ko.
Ate, para po pala sa inyo.
Nagnakaw ako ng apron ng bata. Oh,
Yan
wait
na lang sa
lang.
may apron.
Mick, please behave. Oh, wait lang. Ayusin lang natin to.
Kayla, come here.
Kayla, go there muna. Yan.
Kayla,
Kaya pala.
come here. We'll play. Attention. Ayan. Mga bata, wag po kayo lalapit dyan, ha?
Ayan.
Sakal.
Okay. So, ngayon na nagisa na natin yung ating bawang tsaka sibuyas. Ito, Raisa, halika, tignan
Ang
mo
bango
to.
naman.
Yan. Lalagay mo na ngayon yung iyong...
It's already smashed.
Very good. Mash it some more. That's your exercise na. You'll have macho on.
Exercise.
Ayan.
Bango po. Nakakagutom. Pwede po ba sa kanin yan?
Ay, hindi. Bali, ito, parang ano na siya. Meron ka ng mashed potato tsaka ulam. So, one dish na siya talaga. Kompleto na. Ngayon, lagyan na natin
just
yung-
incredible hook. Yung ba yung sinasabi na nun?
So, nilagay ko na yung carrots tsaka celery.
Done! Yan.
Yan.
Healthy po pala yan.
Oo.
Is just like really exercising.
Ngayon, Raisa, lalagay ko na yung ating beef. This is your beef giniling. Yan. This is yummy. Yan. So, lutuin lang natin yung beef.
Kailan bango, no? I'm tired. Tired na si ano? I'm tired. Just behave.
And then, pag naluto mo na yung iyong beef, lagay mo na yung tomato sauce. Okay, can you put it here, Kayla?
Ilang taon na po ba si Kayla?
Kayla, how old are you? You don't know? How old are you? How old are you? Huh?
No.
You don't know? Kalimutan niya yung age niya, 3. Di ba you're 3?
Alonzo is 4.
Alonzo is 4.
Mick. Oh, 6.
Wow, you're 6 na, Mick.
I'm 9. I'm the eldest. I'm the sister. Big sister. Big
We
sister.
finished na.
Kayla is the
Yan.
youngest. Bango.
Tapos gagawin natin, di ba, tomato sauce, konting cream cheese para maging creamy. Yan. Tapos
Parang-
syempre, Raisa, huwag mo kakalimutan, every time nagluluto ka, salt, tsaka
Konti lang
pepper. Can you please pass? Thank you. Yan. Baka ma-over, ah. Okay. So, mix
What
lang
happened?
natin.
Why it falls?
Okay. Tumatalsik. Yeah, that's all right na. Okay, now, ang
The
gagawin
apron.
lang natin, pag naluto na natin yung ating beef,
This one.
lalagay lang natin dito. Oops, Mick. Here, Alonzo, I'll teach you. So, when the beef is cooked na, just put it here, tapos lalagay nyo yung mashed potato sa taas.
Yes, mashed
Yun
potato.
na. 'Di ba? So, ganun lang kadali. So, syempre, naghanda na ako ng finished product para sa inyo, para madali.
Finish na po.
Ayan, ito na. Ginawa ko kanina to sa bahay.
Wow.
Saan natin nalagay? Here. Oh, wow! Yan. Ayusin lang natin.
Linisin ko.
Yan. So the beef is under here. Tapos, pinatungan lang natin yan ng potato. Tapos, pwede natin yung i-bake para lang mag-brown ng konti. Pero kung ayaw niya na i-bake, okay lang. Pero better pag medyo nag-brown siya. Yan.
Kung pwede na natin.
Madali ba gawin?
Merong
Dali lang, di ba?
may vegetables.
Is it easy?
May patatas. Yan, masarap.
Madali lang gawin.
Pwede na po tikman.
Yes, o tikman na natin. Wait lang, may
Shepherd's
Tikman
pie.
na natin ang shepherd's pie. Okay, alin pwede natin gamitin? Ito? O, taste mo, Riza, ha?
Sige pa.
O. Tapos pwede mo to dalhin sa mga pag nag-Christmas party kayo. Dalhin mo dito, paglutuan mo sila. O. You want to try it, Alonzo? You want to try it?
I'm full. You should
full?
try this.
I just
alone.
burped. You just burped.
I just want to taste.
You want to taste? A little bit lang.
Ito.
Little.
Sarap po.
Is it yummy?
I just taste. Yum.
Sarap ba? You want to try it?
Pwede niyo po itong ilutuin sa bahay niyo. Gusto niyo po ng recipe? Pagano po sa Reza May Chacha Instagram. Walang space. Instagram ko po yan. Recipe ni Ate Danica para sa shepherd's
Yes,
pie.
shepherd's pie.
It's time off! Ate Danica, I'm here. Ano po yung masasabi niyo sa mga mami? I'm going to fall. Alonzo, I'm going to fall here. Keep your mouth.
Where's Alonzo?
I'm not gonna do. Ano po masasabi niyo sa mga mami na nag-iisip na ng panghanda ngayon?
Ito, madali lang nila to gawin. Dapat sa mga mami na maghahanda sa Pasko, gawin nyo na ahead of time. Tsaka huwag nyo nang gawin yung mga masyadong mahihirap kasi nga, pag press na kayo for time, mahirapan kayo. So ito, super dali lang nito kasi di ba sandali lang natin siya ginawa. So, itong masasuggest ko na
Sandali lang
gawin nyo
po.
sa Christmas. Kasi super dali lang.
Jambango.
Yay! I'm happy naman na nagustuhan mo.
Thank you po, ha? Mga Dabber Cats, palakpakan po natin si Ate Danica Soto. Tinggi.
Yay!
Si Mix at si Kayla. Alonzo, please get the flowers.
Wow, I have flowers.
Where are you? Please get the flowers for Ate Danica.
Thank you. Sorry for getting your apron.
Merry
Thank
Christmas.
you.
Merry Christmas. Thank you po ulit, Ate
Thank you,
Danica, ha?
Raisa. Thank you.
Oh,
gagawin mo yan?
Mga Dabber Cats, pwede niyo po itong subukan ngayong Pasko. At dali sa mga party. Sigurado ba magugustuhan nila? Kaya ngayon po, dyan lang po kayo, ha? Babalik pa po ang The Rise of May Show! Tapos itatak mo.
Wow.
Mo, itatak mo. I-shake mo. Welcome back to the Rise of May Show. Sa mga bahay po, sa mga Dabber ka sa bahay. Napakita na po namin yung picture, ha? At tanong, para manalo kayo ng big regalo. 10,000 pesos at resume tumbler at meet and greet with Reza. Araw-araw po, ha? Magsama-sama po tayo dito sa The Rise of May Show. Diyan lang po kayo dahil malaga na po. Alonzo, say goodbye.